How to sign up for Manus AI. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then search for Manus. Now you want to click on this website, which is manus.im. Once you get here, you want to click on the Get Started option at the top right corner of your screen. Manus is currently in private beta. To get started, you will have to enter your invitation code if you have received it. Once you enter your invitation code, click on the Get Started option and your account will be activated. If you do not have an invitation code, you want to click on the Apply for Access option. Now enter your email address, then type in how Manus can help you. Now click on the Submit option. Once your request is approved, Manus will send you a notification to your email address. After your account has been activated, you want to click on the Sign In Now option. Then click on Continue with Google account. Select your Google account or enter the Google account credentials. Then you will be successfully signed into your Manus account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.